Have you ever wondered if you can add IPTV to your Roku TV? It might sound tricky, but it's more achievable than you think. Many believe IPTV is only for smart TVs and complex setups. Not anymore. By the end of this video, you'll unlock a world of possibilities. First, ensure your Roku device is up to date for smooth operation. Then, explore the Roku channel store to search for key IPTV streaming apps. Not all apps will be available, but we've got a special recommendation. Visit the link in our description to access the best IPTV provider we recommend. Once you have the provider details, proceed to input them into your app. This step unlocks various channels never before seen on typical Roku setups. Important to note, legally accessing these channels ensures a pleasant experience. Get the best service for IPTV, and revelation of content options is unmatched. Transform your home entertainment with unlimited access and global content. Don't forget to revisit links for insightful recommendations and trusted sources. Enjoy a transformed Roku experience effortlessly, engaging with every viewer genre. Remember, your viewing potential is limitless with the right tools, so dive in.